Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here and I'm so excited to do morning meeting with you. Did you have a good weekend? Did you do anything fun and exciting? Well, I'm so excited to have another week of learning with you, and we're going to start off by doing our morning meeting. So this week we have a really special day this week. You're going to see on our calendar for Wednesday, it says Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated all over the world and it focuses on us taking care of our planet Earth. So we can pick up litter, we can plant some trees, and we just help keep Earth nice and clean. 3 things that you can do. So a lot of our lessons this week are focused on Earth Day and being outside. So I hope that sounds fun for you. But let's do our first morning meeting of the week, okay? So I know that today is Monday. It's your first day back with learning this week, so I wrote that today is Monday. If today is Monday, then what was yesterday? I'm going to frog, hop, jump this way, and I know that yesterday was Sunday. So we have yesterday was Sunday. If today is Monday, then I'm going to frog, jump this way to see that tomorrow will be Tuesday. Can you say Tuesday? So today is Monday. Do you remember the month? It's the month of April. Can you say April? So it's Monday, April. What number is this? It's the number 20. So it's Monday, April 20th. And let's frog, jump, hop, and see how many days until Earth Day. 1, 2. We're 2 days away from Earth Day. Can you sing your Days of the Week song before we move on to weather? Remember, you can grab any instrument, you can use your fingers to snap, or you can just sing along. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good job. Okay, let's move on to weather. When you look at the weather, can you look outside your window right now? This is what it looks outside of my window. I see the ground is wet. And I hear rain in the background. Is that the same or different than your house? Is your yard wet like mine? Is it raining? Let's see the weather forecast for Lawrence. I see that right now it's 53 degrees. And what is this symbol? This symbol is different than what we saw last week. I don't remember us seeing this symbol. When I look at that, I see a cloud and I see some blue lines. So I'm going to come over to our weather report and I think, that kind of looks like this symbol. And that says rainy. So right now, it's rainy outside. Do you think it's going to be that way all day? Let's look. I see later today at 12 o'clock, right when you're eating lunch. I see some clouds and that yellow circle. Do you remember what the yellow circle is? It's the sun. That means partly cloudy. We've got a cloud and there's that yellow circle, the sun. That means today it's going to move to partly cloudy and a little warmer. I see the partly cloudy again and the temperature keeps going up, up, up. That means it's going to get a little hotter. Oh, look at that. Right around 6 o'clock tonight, the clouds are gone and it's just the sun. So do you think you're going to have nice weather to go outside and do your gym lesson today? And your speech scavenger hunt? I hope so. Make sure you go to the website for today's activities so that you can get outside and have a little bit of fun. I'm headed out to walk the dogs. Bye guys, see you next time.